Right, hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Tuesday, 11th of November. So we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened is that price has fell a little after it gotten resisted at price of 1.2481, Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%. But however, it seems to lose momentum, and we are seeing the price is about to retrace further from here. Okay, so the thing is that price has touched the bottom of the falling trend channel, and therefore we are actually expecting price to retrace even further, and we can see that there is a falling trend line within the falling trend channel, and if price were to able to retrace all the way and touches the falling trend line, then that might be a more possible trade to shorts. Alright, so at this moment itself, we'll just wait for price to retrace further. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So similarly, price depreciated, fell a little bit as the dollar strengthens a little, and price has actually broken above the falling trend channel, came back down, and now right now we are seeing price is about to retrace further again. So we shall wait for price to touch the retracement level of 38.2% at price of 0.7801 again, and to see if that might be a double top, a probable double top over here. Alright, so we can wait for price to touch 0.7809. Alright, and we shall see if there's a double top to go for a short opportunity from here. Next is the pound against the US dollar. Alright, the pound against the US dollar, as you can see, there is a major falling trend channel over here, and within itself there's a minor falling trend channel as well. So price has touched the bottom of this minor falling trend channel, rebounded and got resisted, and fell a little from 2020 moving averages. Right now it seems exhausted and begin to rebound. So the first level we shall look at is when it touches the top of this minor falling trend channel, and if not, at a retracement level of 38.2%, and if it retraces even further and gains further, then the key level we shall look at is the price of 1.6031 and the retracement level of 61.8%, and that would be the probably the best price to look for shorts. Next is the Australia against the next we shall look at the dollar against the yen first. So we do see the price appreciated a little bit, although it has yet to touch any support level, and therefore right now what we are seeing is that price is a little bit exhausted, and it seems ready to retrace further from here. This is a 1 hourly chart, so we are waiting for price to retrace all the way back to a retracement level of 23.6%. Alright, and just pause a while and plotted this retracement, Fibonacci retracement. We can see that the support level of 113.12 is it coincides with the exhaustion level of 141.4% at the price of 113.12, and therefore this level might be a good level to go for a long. Alright, next I shall touch on the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Similarly to New Zealand against the US dollar, is that price is has fallen a little bit and began to retrace again, after it has got resisted at a key resistance level at 0.8680, which is the retracement level of 38.2%, and right now we are waiting for price to reach the same resistance level again to see if there's a double top, probable double top formation. Alright, also take note that this resistance level, it used to be a previous support, so it's a support type resistance level. At the same time, by the time when it reaches this level again, the 55 moving averages should be somewhere at the same level as well, so that gives a stronger support in terms of going in for the shorts at the level itself. Alright, so that's for the Australia against the US dollar. Next, we shall take a look at dollar against the we shall take a look at dollar against the franc, the Swiss franc. So price has gained a little, seems exhausted as well, so we are waiting for price to retrace further. First level we shall look at is at the price of 0.9594, retracement level of the 0.2%. Or if not, if it fall even further, then then the 200 moving averages will come into place, and the 200 moving averages will act as a stronger support for this currency pair. As you can see, the 200 moving averages has been a pretty good support, or rather indicator for price to rebound. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the franc, and finally I would just like to touch on the euro against the franc as well. Alright, as we know that the Swiss National Bank has already kept the euro at 1.2 flat, and therefore right now price is already at 1.2028, another 28 pips to 1.2 flat, and that's where we want to go for a long opportunity. Alright, zooming in into the day chart itself. Alright, you can see that price has been, the moment price touches 1.2 over here, 1.2 flat, it just gotten supported. The lowest it has ever went to since the Swiss National Bank capped at 1.2 is 1.1984. Right, that is probably the lowest it has ever gone to. So the moment once price reaches 1.2 flat, well, just set a stop loss of about 30 pips away, and we are pretty good to earn some profit from this long trade itself. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I will see you again.